But my first golden moment was when I was 7 years old. My dad put me on his back while he was kite surfing. It was a moment of revelation. It felt like magic. And I felt like I was walking on water. This moment changed my life. When I go kite surfing, I feel free. The sea is my best friend. It listens to me, it understands me. It's taking all my negative thoughts and emotions away. When I come out of the ocean, I feel like a new man. And there is this moment when I'm in the water and everything is calm, and I have this feeling of excitement, and then suddenly, out of nothing, I'm flying. A moment of joy. But the ocean is in danger. We've reached a turning point. If we all come together and just give the ocean the help that it needs, it will go back to the way it was, the way it should be.